Hello, coders. Welcome back to Coding Doctor, your helper in medical coding. Today we're starting a power-packed session on ICD-10 coding. What it is, where it came from, how ICD-10 is structured, and how you can code correctly in just 5 simple steps. This video will make ICD-10 super easy, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's dive in. ICD-10 is the International Classification of Diseases, 10th edition, created by the World Health Organization. It classifies diseases into broader categories and assigns each condition a universal code. This helps in tracking diseases, billing, research, and standardizing healthcare worldwide. In the United States, ICD-10 is split into 2 parts. 1. ICD-10-CM, used for diagnosis coding in all settings. 2. ICD-10-PCS, used for procedures in hospital inpatients only. ICD-10-CM tells the insurance company, why was this service medically necessary? CPT tells them, what service was done? Without ICD-10-CM, the provider cannot get paid. ICD coding actually began in the 1850s. It was first called the International List of Causes of Death. WHO took over in 1948, and the system evolved through ICD-7, ICD-8, ICD-9, and finally, ICD-10. ICD-10 coding. The US added its own version called ICD-9-CM, but it had many problems. Limited space, no laterality, not enough detail, couldn't keep up with modern medicine. ICD-10-CM has 21 chapters, approximately 73,000 plus diagnosis codes, and highly specific with laterality, encounter type, anatomic site, and etiologies. So, ICD-10-CM was born. Bigger, smarter, and 100 times more detailed. ICD-10-CM versus ICD-10-PCS. Let's break this down simply. ICD-10-CM, also called diagnosis codes. They are used in all healthcare settings. They are 73,000 plus codes. ICD-10-CM code consists of 3 to 7 characters. It has laterality and high specificity. ICD-10-PCS, also called procedure codes. They are used in inpatient only. They are 87,000 plus codes, always 7 characters. They are extremely detailed, body part, device, approach, etc. ICD-10 coding. So remember, ICD-10-CM equals what's wrong with the patient. ICD-10-PCS equals what procedure was performed. Structure of ICD-10-CM. ICD-10-CM codes have 3 to 7 characters. Characters 1 to 3. Category. Example, E11 equals type 2 diabetes. This is where includes, excludes, notes, and key guidelines live. Always start with the category. Characters 4 to 5. Subcategory. Adds details like etiology, site, severity, laterality. Character 6. More clinical detail. May describe type of complication, specific anatomy, severity, laterality, right, left bilateral. Character 7. Extension. Used mostly for injuries. A equals initial encounter. D equals subsequent. S equals sequela. These characters are called extenders and provide extra clinical information. If the 7th character is required, but the code is too short. Use X as a placeholder. Example, S0501XA, corneal abrasion, right eye, initial encounter. In this code, X is used as a placeholder. More characters equals more specificity. ICD-10-CM Guidelines, Index and Tabular List. ICD-10-CM has three major navigation tools. 1. Alphabetic Index, 4 parts: diseases, external causes, neoplasms table, drugs and chemicals table. Helps you find code suggestions, but never code directly from it. It doesn't include instructions. ICD-10 Coding. 2. Tabular List. Codes arranged A00 to Z99. Includes notes. Excludes 1. Excludes 2. Must always verify here. This is where coding mistakes are prevented. 3. Official Guidelines. Sections I to 4. Includes conventions, general coding rules, principal versus additional diagnosis selection, outpatient-specific guidelines. These 3 tools together help you choose the correct code every time. Conventions. Let's learn about different conventions used in ICD-10-CM coding. First, we see about parenthesis and square brackets. Parenthesis. These show non-essential words that don't change the code. Example, hypertension with terms like benign, essential, or malignant still stays I-10. They can also show codes linked to Excludes 1 and Excludes 2 notes. Square brackets. These show synonyms or explanations. Example, A30, leprosy, Hansen disease. Same condition, different name. Brackets can also point you back to earlier instructions. So remember, parenthesis equals extra words plus exclusion references. Brackets equals synonyms plus coding notes. Here's a coding rule every ICD-10 beginner must know. The dagger symbol stands for the underlying disease, and it must be coded first. The asterisk symbol shows the manifestation, the condition caused by the underlying disease, and it can never be coded alone. Example, A17.0 tuberculous meningitis is the underlying disease. It leads to G01 asterisk, the manifestation. So remember, dagger equals code first, asterisk equals add-on. Never alone. Follow for more quick ICD-10 coding tips. Includes, excludes 1, excludes 2. Here are 3 ICD-10 rules every coder must know. Includes means, yes, this condition belongs here. It helps confirm you're in the right category. Excludes 1 means, do not code these conditions together. They're mutually exclusive. If one is present, the other cannot be coded. Excludes 2 means you can code both conditions. They're separate issues that may happen at the same time. So remember, includes equals clarification. Excludes 1 equals cannot code together. Excludes 2 equals may code together. NEC versus NOS in ICD-10-CM. Here's the difference between NEC and NOS in ICD-10 in seconds. NEC, not elsewhere classified. The doctor gave specific details, but ICD-10 has no more specific code. So, NEC means the doctor is specific, but the book is not. Example, a rare virus not listed in ICD-10, B34.8. NOS, not otherwise specified. The doctor did not provide enough detail even though ICD-10 has specific codes. So NOS means the book is specific, but the doctor is not. Example, diagnosis says pneumonia with no organism, J18.9. So remember, NEC when ICD has no specific code, NOS when documentation is incomplete. ICD-10, correct code in 5 easy steps. Let's code the right way. Step 1. Search the alphabetic index. Find your main term. Note the suggested code. Step 2. Check the tabular list. Look for excludes 1 or 2, required characters, laterality rules, additional notes. Step 3. Read the instructions carefully. Some codes require a 6th character or additional notes. Step 4. Add a 7th character if needed. The following characters are used for 7th place. A. Initial encounter. D. Subsequent encounter. S. Sequela encounter. Use X as a placeholder when required. Step 5. Always code to the highest specificity. Never use truncated codes. Example, N04 must be coded as N04.0 when details are provided. This 5-step system guarantees accuracy every single time. That's it, coders. You now understand ICD-10 like a pro, its history, structure, coding rules, and how to code correctly using the 5-step method. If you learned something today, like this video, share with your coding friends, and subscribe to Coding Doctor. Comment below, which ICD topic should I cover next? See you in the next masterclass.